You can see Wedra Road. Both sides of the road, no movement. Everywhere, this is Wedra Junction. This is the road leading to Mbisen and area command. The area command area is blocked. No movement. Everywhere is dried up. Shops closed. The ever busy Wedra Road is completely deserted. This is so sad. This is the ever busy Wedra Junction. The road that leads to Aba Port Harcourt Road, the dual carriageway, the ever busy road, all dry, everywhere under lockdown. This is the ever busy Wedra Road, leading to Government House, leading to Onisha, all dried up. Thank you so much. Welcome to Politics Today. I'm your brother, Secret. Southeast appear to be under serious siege. The military are everywhere, doing what they believe they were asked to do. The non-state actors are on duty, operating in their own way. The church is busy, operating in their own way. So many churches, especially those with headquarters in Lagos, are busy with projects, are busy planting branches and reaping off returns. Is something that must be profitable. The branches are not planted for the fun of it. They are targets. Those employed to run the branches must return. The government is also busy. Everywhere, all the key institutions that should help the people, they are all found wanting. The traditional institution is nowhere to be found. Their influence is not seen at all. The sum total of the real situation is that the people suffer. The people are impoverished. Hardship increases. Hunger increases. Desperation. Many on suicide mission. There is utter hopelessness that have laid siege on our people. It's as if help is too far from them. Everywhere. You do not know when the next sit at home will be called. Any group can call sit at home now. And the people already under the siege of fear will comply, not even bothering to verify the institution, the authority, the particular group that is calling for the sit at home. They do not bother to verify that. Fear is a ruling spirit in Southeast. The church have no solution. The government have no solution. The traditional institution have no solution. Where do you see elder statesmen? They are nowhere to be found. The people are in a state of utter hopelessness, in great distress. The ever-busy market completely under lock and key. No movement. Nothing is going on. This is too sad. Nothing is going on. All the shops are locked. This is police area command direct. Everywhere is locked down, no movement. This is the situation of things. As you can see, the road is dry completely. So sad. This is the ever busy Christchurch Road that leads to the market. You can see how dry the road is. This Samaram extension, all dry. Everywhere locked down. You can see the monumental loss to the economy. Everywhere, shops closed. This is the implication of bad governance and wickedness in the land. What a tragedy. What a tragedy. Tinubu, it is my turn to be president. Can you see the number of people who are going down daily? Tinubu, can you see the poverty situation you brought upon innocent Nigerians because of your selfish ambition? Tinubu, have you seen the situation? A leader must have capacity. A leader must have integrity and honesty. A leader that must be a man that can command respect. But Tinubu, you fall short of all the basic requirements a leader must possess. You fall short. You are below average, far below average. There is nothing, absolutely nothing, that can make Tinubu to command respect. The records are dirty. That's why things are out of control. People do whatever they feel like. Nobody is protecting, preserving the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Lawlessness, corruption, election rigging, everything people feel like doing, they will do. Why not address this problem with Southeast? This Nnamdi Kanu challenge, which the judiciary is messing up, acting a script. A case will start at the High Court, treasonable felony. Federal government will come up with all manner of charges. The case will move from High Court after a lot of delays and so on. It will get to Appeal Court. After a lot of amending charges, every sitting you amend charges. Finally, the Appeal Court will give their ruling and say all the charges, no matter how many times you amended them, they were all baseless and meaningless. You could not prove anything against Nnamdi Kanu. They will discharge him. The federal government will appeal against that ruling. They will go to Supreme Court. Ordinarily, one expects in a country governed by law with a credible justice system, the Supreme Court will just focus on the subject matter of appeal, the ruling of the Court of Appeal. Lo and behold, what did we see? People can even get to Supreme Court and begin to amend charges. Rather than give their ruling on the subject matter, the decision of the Appeal Court, what do you hear? Go back to High Court. So the trial will start all over again from Federal High Court, Abuja. Yes, story of Nyako saying, I don't want to continue. This is why the Chief Judge is saying you have to continue. All manner of things. Then Southeast economy is going down. It's as if it's a game being played on the people. And Tinubu is enjoying the ride as the people suffer. Would have been able to say, let's find lasting solution. Sunday Bohe's case have been treated. Few hours to the inauguration of Tinubu as president of Nigeria, Yoruba nation agitators moved with arm to lay siege on Oyo State Government House. Police did not kill any of them, but they were carefully arrested without any harm coming upon them. The question we need to ask, how far about that case? How far? We have never heard that IPOB went to any government house to lay siege and declare Biafra. We have never heard that any group of people fighting for the Igbo race went to any government house and with arms and said they want to take over and declare a new government, a new nation. We have never heard that. Why can't the government find a simple solution to the security situation in Southeast to save the people, to save the economy, for the common good of all, for the unity of the people, for the progress of the people? The land is under siege. Fear is a ruling spirit. It's a solitaire. God, help your people. Intervene in our situation. May whosoever is of God accept responsibility to share this video. Support justice by subscribing to this channel. God bless you.